Are you ready? Let's go.
Yeah,
Let's get you. Sir, do you want to be on Walkout TV?
No. Nobody wants to work these days.
Okay, we're good. 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wildcat TV. I'm Wiley the Wildcat here with another epic Wheeler High School production. We're out here
with my girlfriend.
Oh,
Seriously, man?
Who are you? Where am I? What happened? Who am I?
So, you're Ilya, I'm Anna.
I'm Lord, not playing Chris.
And you happen to lose your memory, so
I'm here to help you get those memories back.
Crush a bit, little bit, pull it up, take a hit, feeling lit, feeling right, 2 a.m. summer night, I don't care, hand on the wheel, driving, think I'm doing my thing, rolling the mid beside and out, living my life, getting our dreams, I'ma do just what I want, looking ahead, no turning back, people told me slow my roll, I'm screaming out, I'm screaming out, I'm screaming out.
See you next time on.
and this is Who am I here with today?
Ansley Young.
Okay, so what have these past 4 years been like in swim?
Oh, they've been so crazy, you know. It's been a really good 4 years. We've broken a lot of records.
What is your favorite memory from the swim team?
Swimming on my birthday and getting best times on every event.
Awesome. What will you miss most about swim?
Probably being social. It's a great way for me to be social with underclassmen and people of my age too.
We don't need his story.
Student Union is an organization that advocates the needs of African American students at Wheeler High School.
But I want you to continue to fight, continue to believe in yourself, continue to take, heed to mentorship, open your ears. That's why God gave you 2 ears and 1 mouth, is to listen more than you talk. Please swallow your pride. You need to fall. Saying if you're struggling and going through something, let somebody know. You've got to lean on each other or lean on us so that we can help you out. Oh, finally. Who are you?
Don't matter. You need coffee?
That's my mug. How'd you get my mug? Why is there no coffee in here? I don't like coffee.
Drink it.
With Buck and Bronco coffee, your mind will race like a wild horse.
Side effects may include heartburn, excessive sweating, dehydration, short-term insomnia.
childhood TV show, a theme song, and you have to guess which show it is.
Okay, I'm bad at teams.
I had no childhood.
Yeah, same.
Okay, here's the first one.
Oh my gosh, I didn't mean to do that hard. Phineas and Ferb.
Oh no, that took me so long.
Phineas and Ferb.
Phineas and Ferb. That's like the goated show. If you do not think that's the goatedest show.
Okay, ready?
Jesse.
Jesse.
Jesse. Dogs. So violent. Because I knew it.
Jesse. Let's go. Well, that one's like easy.
Giving you a chance right now. And you're not going to take
you
it.
Know? Victorious.
No.
iCarly. No. Oh, Good Luck Charlie.
Good Luck Charlie.
Yeah.
Cars 1, hour 3, minute 36.
Wait, what?
I can't even pretend to know this time. Like I did.
Powerpuff Girls.
Selena Gomez is in it, if that helps.
Wizard of Waverly Place.
Yeah.
I got it. High School Musical 1.
I had like one of those pajama dresses when I was little, and it was Wizard of Waverly Place.
Oh. Scooby-Doo?
No.
Oh, wait. Teen Titans. Powerpuff Girls.
Teen Titans.
Yeah.
Teen Titans 2005.
Danny Phantom, right?
Teen Titans.
Oh my God! Yes.
Sophia the First.
Frozen.
Sophia the First.
I was a girl in the village doing alright.
Sophia the First. What is that?
You've never watched Sophia
No.
the First? Truly a pinnacle of Disney.
That's a kid.
No.
He definitely did.
I watch it now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sophia the First.
I didn't watch it as a kid. I was a bit too old for
That's
that.
what separates
2007 kid.
I don't even know.
No, this sounds so familiar.
Hannah Montana.
Hannah Montana. Yeah.
Is this Danny Phantom?
No.
Is this Danny Phantom?
No.
Oh.
Danny Phantom.
No. Oh, Ben 10. Ben 10. I know that one. I know that.